Hi guys, it's LT Survival. As promised, in this video we'll see another first aid kit I built out of a pouch I bought at Gearbest. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, most of you will remember my my small backpack, the SOG backpack. I have a couple of patches on it, my name tag, the Canadian flag, since I am one of those Canadian. My channel patch, smaller patch, a smaller bag, and another one which I had. This one I had on the side, and this or this one, whichever I had on the side, and I decided to add more. The bag is roomy, but not that much, and in those I have more kit that I need, but it's not the main one I want to focus on. It's this one. Okay, this is the first aid kit. It's a big pouch, which I decided to put the on the other side because it counterweights the water bottle I have in one pouch. Makes for not such a big bag, even though it's getting wide. That's the widest I want to go with this bag, but it is easier to carry there than in the bag, because I've tried it in the back and had the second pouch hanged on the Molle. It wasn't fun at all. It looked like a dromedary or whatever, the animal that has a hump, has two hump. So on the side here it is better placed. It is accessible. I technically could rip away this pouch myself if I was hurt and I could reach in the back. This is the rip away is mainly made for someone that's going to intervene on you. So basically the rip away system is a security lanyard. There's a handle, and watch out for the noise, a big Velcro attachment. Okay, and here's the pouch itself with the hook and loop back. So it hangs pretty well on my bag. It's not perfect. There's some default to it. There's the opening, one of the security for the opening. This is hard to catch, so I'll need to add a paracord lanyard to it. The zippers are quite easy to operate. Okay, and then the pouch splits open. Okay, in two, and things fall out. So it is made to be put on the ground beside you. I have not set this thing much. I've taken stuff and put it straight in. Okay, not much. I didn't go overboard getting the stuff the right way. I just tried to put the stuff into it. So I had some triangular bandages that were open, so they're not folded in the plastic bag. So they were open. I've decided to reuse those. I have a first aid CPR mask. Okay, it is a compact version, basically a valve and a sheet of plastic. I've succeeded in put some strange bandages in there. Those that were military will remember this one. This is the Canadian CFMS, Canadian Force Military Services Dressing First Aid Field. It is a huge compression bandage for wounds. This is an old one. Maybe good, better than nothing anyway. So I always keep one if I have. Okay, they're getting rarer, should I say. I've got a Vaseline petroleum gauze which I picked up in the military. Also, this is kind of old, but it's good for wounds, good for some burns. Okay, not necessarily the best, but it's something that'll keep a wound wet. I've got Adaptex bandages. They're kind of old. This stuff was laying in a box I have at home. Everything I had in surplus, not in first aid kits, was in that box. A compression bandages, a combined dressing, 8x10, a gauze 8x4, another gauze 3" by 8 Tefla. The Tefla is the non-stick type, so that's good for burns, that's good for a lot of things. Okay, these are some of the gauze I've got in there. So that was in the fold. When I opened it, that's in the fold. In the fold there is a separate pouch, okay, and then you've got a back compartment with some molle onto it, okay. Well, molle, it's more elastic strap. I've got yes, I did put some in mine too, some safety pins, okay. Not that I use them very often, but sometimes to manage the triangular bandages, it's always good. You get a splinter, it's always good. Okay, so I'll go with the first compartment here, which is in the back, with the so I have some tape on the closure here, okay, and one brand spanking new addition, okay, is a pair of trauma shear. These are titanium, pretty nice quality. Got them on Amazon. Paid about $10 for it. It's a little more expensive than the best price that they've come to, which was like $6 or $7 at one point. If you're patient, you might see them come to a lower price. But $10, I decided to buy two. They're claws made. Okay, this is the packaging. Okay, they're made. They're claws, like written like that. Titanium shear. They should be a little better than these ones, which are China made, which I had at home. Yeah, they're safe for the autoclave, so they're the highest quality. Sorry about that. Oh, German stainless steel. Ooh, okay, those German stainless steel, eh? So trauma shear. Okay, these one a little better and a little more comfortable, but basically they're the same. So I decided to go with those type of shear. I chose this. This was the first one I had in my bag. Improved it to the titanium version, so a little better. Hopefully last longer a little. I got a roll of gauze here in the elastic. Wanted to put more, but I didn't find any more at home that fit. What do I have here? I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I've got another gauze in a plastic bag. A roll of gauze. Got one of those cold pack chemical ice, and there's two level of pouch, but once you fill one, you can't fill the other one. Turn around to the other flap. I've got a cat tourniquet here, and I've got gloves here. Inside that pouch, okay, all I have is basically high patch, gauze, burn gauze, okay, and that's about it. Oh, I'll have to change the battery before it shuts down on me. As for the bandages, I've got a couple in that small zipper pouch, okay, some alcohol bandage, alcohol swipe and things like that. So basically I've got a little here. I've got another pouch that I have more bandages, because in the cadets, we use mainly the bandages, so I brought a spare part. Not much more. There's space on. It comes with that sticker. This one I bought. Okay, this is my blood type, and it's a good little pouch. You can use it about with the Molle at your belt, or simply on your bag, so that way you can have it available, and it rips away, so that way you can use it. Quick and dirty. The pouch mainly was the attraction, the first aid kit, just to show you what I had in it. So if you like. Sorry, I had to change my battery. By the way, just as a quick update, I bought a set of batteries a little bigger than the one I had with the camera. So hopefully I'm testing them right now. I've got like 190 minutes. Woohoo! That's almost 200 minutes of electricity for my camera. So I'll be able to film a little more without recharging. As I was saying, if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.